Well, we got a new animal in the trees across from our cabin over here. And we didn't know what it was at first. We thought it was a sloth. Turns out it's a prehensile-tailed porcupine. He's scratching himself. Interesting, huh? He's scratching himself some more. Got little short quills on it. He got them all over his head. Yeah, once again, it's a windy, rainy day here in Costa Rica. All our monkeys that we had, they only stayed around for a couple of days. And then they must move off into another part of the forest. We'll find new food or whatever. So yeah, here you go. He's not really moving around very much, but that's a prehensile-tailed porcupine for you. So there you go, just one more animal that we found up here. There he is, there he is, there he is. You can see him. Pretty interesting little animal. He's not that small either. Pretty good size. Well, hope you enjoyed it. Guys, be safe.